Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If your iPhone 16 is stuck in recovery mode, I know how frustrating that can be, but don't panic. We've got several effective solutions to help you bring your device back to life while keeping your data safe. If you've dealt with this before, share your experience in the comments. Now, let's get started. Before diving into the fixes, let's briefly go over why an iPhone may get stuck in recovery mode. This can occur if the cable disconnects during an update, if software glitches interfere with the system, or even because of hardware problems like CPU issues. While older devices tend to experience this more often, even the latest iPhone 17 can run into this situation. Method 1. Force restart. A force restart is often the quickest and simplest way to resolve temporary system malfunctions. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. When the logo shows up, release the button. Your device should reboot normally afterward. Method 2. Wireless exit from recovery mode. If the force restart doesn't get your phone out of recovery mode, try this newer method. With another iPhone running iOS 18 or later, you can exit recovery mode wirelessly. Just keep clicking the power button until the Apple logo blinks really fast. Release it and wait for the logo to fade in and out. A wireless restore screen will pop up, and the second iPhone will display a prompt. Tap Continue, enter the verification code, and choose Exit Recovery Mode. No computer required. Your iPhone will restart and return to normal. Method 3. Use ReiBoot to exit with one click. If the wireless option doesn't work, maybe due to weak signal or other issues, try a one-click solution using ReiBoot. Install ReiBoot on your Mac or Windows computer. Connect your iPhone, launch the program, and select Exit Recovery Mode. Within moments, your device should restart normally. And best of all, this process won't wipe your data. Method 4. Use ReiBoot Standard Repair. If simply exiting recovery mode isn't enough, your device may have deeper system errors. ReiBoot's Standard Repair feature can fix common iOS issues without deleting your data. Follow the on-screen steps, let the software complete the repair, and your iPhone should successfully exit recovery mode afterward. Method 5. Update using iTunes or Finder. You can also try updating your device through iTunes or Finder to resolve the issue. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, and wait for it to recognize the device in recovery mode. It will offer two choices, Update or Restore. Select Update to reinstall iOS while keeping your data intact. Allow the update to finish, and your device should reboot normally. If your phone is already running the newest version, the update may not work. In that case, using ReiBoot is a safer option if you want to avoid data loss. If none of these solutions help, there may be a hardware problem, especially if your iPhone has been dropped or exposed to moisture. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support for professional assistance instead of attempting risky DIY repairs. That's all for today. I hope one of these methods gets your iPhone out of recovery mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.